Hello, I'm Prajanma and you're watching Straight Up. In the 21st century, we talk about gender neutrality and equality and how we can make our society more inclusive. Well, a school in Kerala is showing the way. They have decided to stop using gender-specific greetings to address teachers. The senior basic school in Olaseri has become the first school in the state to ask its students to stop addressing their teachers as sir or madam. Instead, they call them teacher. Headmaster of the school, Venugopalan, said that the idea was first proposed by a school staff, V. Kumar. The decision was taken after a staff meeting, and even the parents were supportive of this initiative to make the school more inclusive and gender neutral. About 300 odd students are studying at the government-aided school at the moment, and 8 male teachers and 9 female teachers teach them. While it's a tough habit to break, the headmaster said that the students have already started to adopt the new rule. Social activist Boban Mattumantha, who had initiated the campaign to abolish the use of sir and madam while addressing government officials, said that it was about time that schools adopted the concept. Calling it a colonial hangover, he said that the Congress-ruled Mathur Panchayat was the first local body in the state to put up a board asking the public to address officials by their designations rather than sir or madam. And the school, which is close by, might have been influenced by this move. Be it the influence of Boban's movement or a standalone stance, what this Kerala school has done can be a way forward to a gender-neutral school environment. Keep watching Edexlive for more such news. Stay safe and mask up. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you again tomorrow.